Hello, welcome to my channel Maths with Preeti Chhabra. In my first video of basic geometrical ideas, I discussed about point, line segment, ray, and I also discussed about polygons and different types of polygon, and in particular I discussed about the parts of a quadrilateral. And in this video I am going to explain what are circles and its parts. Okay, let's get started. Okay. First of all, what are circle? Circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Something like that. Okay, let's discuss about the parts of a circle. First one is center. What is center? Center is a point in the middle of a circle. Let us denote it by O, which is equidistant from all the points on the circle. If A and B are any two points on the circle, then OA and OB will be same, and this each distance is known as radius. So center is O and radius is the line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Okay, the plural of radius is radii. If we are talking about more than one radius, then we can say that OA and OB are the two radii of the circle. After that, let's see what is a chord. Okay, a chord is a line segment joining any two points on the circle. Suppose we have 2 points P and Q, then the line segment joining P and Q will be a chord of the circle. Related with this topic, there is one more terminology: diameter. Okay, the diameter is the longest chord of the circle, but it passes through the center. Something like that. M and N are any two points, and this chord MN will be a diameter if it passes through the center O. So it is basically the longest chord of the circle. Also, you need to know that length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. Suppose the circle has a radius of 5 centimeter, then diameter will be 2 into 5, that is 10 units. Okay, or 10 centimeters. Now, interior, exterior and circumference. If this is a circle, then all the points inside the circle will form the interior of this circle, and all the points or all the region outside the circle will be known as exterior of the circle. But what about this boundary? This is known as circumference. Circumference of the circle. Okay. Then arc. If this is a circle and we mark 2 points M, N, and we cut out this portion, it will be of the form like this. So this is an arc of a circle. It is basically a portion of the part of a circle, right? Next is sector and segment. These are very important topics in circle and the students often get confused. If this is a circle and this is the center, we have 2 points M, N. So the region enclosed by the 2 radii of the circle and the arc of the circle is known as the sector. Whereas if this is a circle and PQ are 2 points, this is the chord. So the interior part of the circle enclosed by the chord and the arc of the circle is known as the segment of the circle. So always remember that sector is the interior of the circle enclosed by the 2 radii and this arc of the circle, whereas the segment of the circle is the interior of the circle enclosed by the chord and the arc of the circle. Okay, it is the region enclosed by the 2 radii and an arc, whereas segment is the region enclosed by a chord and arc. I hope I've explained both the topics clearly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.